Start by tossing a ball from one hand to the other. Try to keep your hands in approximately the same place. Take one ball in each hand and toss them in between so that the ball in your right hand ends up in your left and vice versa. Stagger your throws slightly to avoid the balls hitting each other in the air. Hold 2 balls in your dominant hand and the third in your other hand. Pass the balls from one hand to the other, staggering your throws so the balls follow each other in the air. When the second ball is at its highest point, you should be catching the first in your hand. Throw the ball sitting in your hand just as you're about to catch the falling ball. Keep going and you are juggling. Remember to relax and have fun. Practice a scooping motion when you catch the balls to continue the momentum and avoid the balls bouncing out of your hand. Don't throw the balls forward, concentrate on throwing them up. Don't throw the balls too far to the side, try and keep the balls almost vertical. Don't throw the balls too high, the balls and your hands should all be in your field of vision.